Sam, I can't believe you just walked over there. I'll give you the remote if you come back. Come here, Sam. I'll give you the remote and... Oh, see, that's cheating. I didn't specify that you had to walk back, did I? Alright, go get Puppy. Sam, it's fine. Go. The water. Water. You can drink out of... Ew. Yuck, that's Mom's water bottle. That's gonna be gross. Too much.